Hello, I'm Simon Thompson, and thanks to UKRI's backing, we developed the Wind Racer's Ultra, uncrewed, low-cost transport, a drone that can carry 150 kilograms over 1,000 kilometres, and 1,000 kilometres without refuelling.
And I'm Yvette Lawrenson, Regulatory Lead. We're here today thanks to the support of UKRI, whose public investment in research and innovation is helping to solve some of the UK's biggest challenges. One of those challenges is how to deliver essential public services like healthcare, education, postal deliveries to remote and hard-to-reach communities. Traditional logistics often can't meet the demand, but with UKRI support, we've been able to develop and test a new solution: autonomous, heavy-lift drones that can deliver goods quickly, reliably, and sustainably. So we've worked on a few UKRI projects now, most recently the Sustainable Aviation Test Environment, or SATE. Through SATE, we were able to test how autonomous drones could support public services by delivering post, medical supplies and essential goods, especially when the weather or geography makes traditional transport slightly more challenging. Through these projects with UKRI, we have worked with Royal Mail, Scottish Water and Streamline, who are one of the biggest logistics providers in Orkney. We've also worked with the British Antarctic Survey, and through that we've flown in some pretty extreme polar conditions. We've shown how this technology can support scientific research in some of the world's most remote environments. The trials showed that drone logistics can be a reliable, low-cost and low-carbon additive to traditional freight, especially in areas where transport links are challenging. In Orkney, we flew over 700 kilometres. We've proved the system's reliability, and we've demonstrated that one central hub can manage multiple routes. We've made the model scalable and efficient. Environmental surveys confirmed minimal impact on wildlife, and now local logistics providers are exploring how to integrate drones into their operations.
We're now preparing for daily operations in 2026, and those daily operations will create skilled jobs and will boost local economies. And it's just one example of how UKRI support for innovation is delivering better public services, driving economic growth, and keeping the UK at the forefront of emerging technologies. Public investment in research and innovation is essential, not just for developing new ideas, but for turning them into solutions that work for people, that work for communities, and also work for the country as a whole. At Wind Racers, we've always had a clear dream, and that is to be a UK PLC and to take this wonderful leading edge technology that's been developed in the UK and thanks to the UKRI support, and to take that technology around the world to show people what can be done here. We're now on that journey, and we are on that journey thanks to UKRI.